Guess who's back? Hola Friends. Ooh, guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Turn it on. Okay, that's stupid. Okay, let's get serious. But hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dary here, back again for another video for you. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're not, then thank you for being here for one more video from me. So this video, I want to give a big shout out to Eyelashes. If you don't know who she is, she goes by Diva. She's a great singer. Like, since I've known her since middle school, all she's done is singing. But she DM'd me and she told me that it would be a great idea if I uploaded a video on how to apply fake eyelashes because she has struggles with those. So this video is shout out to you, girl. I hope you learned something new. But if any of you out there are having problems on how to apply eyelashes and don't know what to do, I will talk about the tools that you will need, application, and all of that gist in just a moment. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. Pow! But before we start talking about eyelashes and all the other stuff, I want to talk about the different tools that you will be using for this. So you will need either a tweezer. These are like eyelashes tweezers, or any type of tweezers that you use to plug your eyebrows. Or you can use your hands too. I've done that a lot too. Mascara. Right now I have on the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. You want some type of glue. These are the ones that you probably find at the drugstore. Right there. This is clear, but now I usually use for all my eyelashes is the Tarteist Pro which is this guy here. Also need some scissors. I know these are like nail clippers, but I use them for my eyebrows and my eyelashes because they're just really thin. You can use a curling tool for your eyelashes. I don't use that, so yes. This little quick tutorial, the eyelashes that I will be using are the Ardell Fox Wispy, which are these guys right here. After you apply your mascara, one tip that I always tell people is apply mascara first and then put your eyelashes on, and then don't apply more mascara. That way you can reuse your eyelashes if you want. But if it's just like a one-day thing where you just know you're just gonna use it this one time and you're not gonna use it again, then go ahead and apply your mascara after you apply the eyelashes. So the first thing that we want to do is measure the eyelashes with your own. Apply it just to measure. And I have really small eyes. There you go. And one thing that you want to do is that you don't want your fake eyelash to end right here. I keep looking at my monitor over here. That's why I'm doing that. Because it's just going to make your eye look smaller. And also you don't want your eyelashes to start from right here where I have it. So you want somewhere in between. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this because I usually cut all my eyelashes because they tend to run a bigger size than I do. So I'm just gonna cut it a little bit, and I'm gonna be using my little guy here. If you don't know how much to cut, just once you place your eyelash here, and if it's too long, just grab it when you feel like you need to cut, and then remove it, and then just cut right in there. I have the proper length for this eye. What you want to do is just take your eyelash and just go like this, and this will make them more flexible to your eye. Now after that, you want to put your glue on your eyelashes. Now you always want to go with a thin layer. Wait like 10 seconds before you apply it on your eye. That way it gets like a little bit tacky. You can see this is how much I put on, which is a really thin layer. So I'm just, gonna, do your Mississippi's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna come from above and place it down. And then I usually use this guy, and then I use my fingers too because sometimes I have to move it around. From above, I feel like I have a good landing right there. Then you can move it around. I usually look down when I'm applying them. And here I am using my finger. If you're going for a look that don't have an eyeliner, you still want to you still want to put a black eyeliner in like your water lines, so that way they don't see that much the band. So here you go, it's on. But you see like this little part right here, it's like sticking out. So what you can do if something like that happens is go back in, be really careful, and apply a little bit more glue. And I'm just gonna like let it sit there for a little bit, just like dry it out. Let me know what other tutorials you guys want me to upload. If you have any problems with certain things, I would like to help you out. We can both learn at the same time. So just, you know, comment down in the section below. Let's get this through. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in here. I'm just gonna pop it right there. Bam. There we go. Oh shit. You see what I mean? It got stuck. So go in. So this is how that eye looks with an eyelash. I can come even closer to you so you guys can see them on. I will always suggest for you to, if you're first starting off with like fake eyelashes and you don't know which one to buy, I definitely recommend this one. These are from Kiss and they look so natural. This guy right here, you can buy them at Walgreens. I think they retail for like $10 and they bring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. And they look great. Another thing with eyelashes is these I will be able to reuse them a lot of time. Now if I'm wearing like shimmery shadows, those might like transfer over to my eyelashes, so I might not get to use them as often as I wish. But if you don't have anything on, like right now I don't have anything on my lid, and I want to go in with a black eyeliner, then you can reuse your eyelashes for a couple of times. I think the most that I've used an eyelash for is like 7 times. You know, I just take them off at the end of the night, rub them with a little bit of jojoba oil to remove the glue, and then I just place them back in the little box that they came, which will probably, these will go back to this box for another look. And yeah, that's how you can pretty much take care of them. I wouldn't wet your eyelashes to try to remove the glue. If anything, I would just massage it with your own natural oil that you have in your hand, and then just try to take the glue off slowly. These when you try to do that, because the band is so thin, you might just break it, so I wouldn't recommend doing that for these. But for like this wispies that the band is a little bit thicker, you will be able to go in and be a little bit more robust in moving the glue. So that's it. I'm gonna go in and finish this other eye, and then we'll be back. So here they are. They're both on right now. If you see that there's still skin picking through your eyelashes, what you can actually do is just go back with, once they're fully dried down, go back with a liquid eyeliner and just go in and fill those little gaps that you might have. And that's it. This is pretty easy. Let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to try something else that you're having problems with. I am more than happy to do, but this is the final look.